Okay, go. Oh. I'll get that on my way back. I was not littering. See what this sign up here says, that green sign. Put the strap on, just to be safe. I'm dehydrated. Okay, oh, it's a street sign. I thought it might be a sign saying how far I am. Which way to go? I don't have my glasses. Tombs Camp Road, the street I live on? Or Kelly, that might be private. This way. Come on, Jasmine. Jasmine! Oh shit. There's only front brakes on this. Dang, you went fast. Okay. Almost to the mountains. I'm just hoping no cars come. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Let me see if I have cell phone service. Yep. Giddy up.